Hi, you're getting ready to have a facelift, or are you thinking about it? What's the differences? What's the difference on SMAS? What's the difference on a deep plane? What's the difference on a mini? What's the difference on a full facelift? There's so many questions and you have not a clue. Do you do it inside your local neighborhood, your state, your country? Do you go overseas? Which country do you choose? Do you do it by yourself through a doctor? Do you go through a company that's an agent? Or do you select a company such as ours? I'll tell you, without a doubt, you want an ISEP surgeon. That means they're part of the International Association of Plastic Surgeons, and they hold the highest accreditation. That's the first thing. You don't want a cosmetic surgeon, you want a plastic reconstructive surgeon, number one. Number two is you don't want to do it by yourself, and there's reasons for that. The fear, the not understanding, the lack of aftercare. It's daunting, and most people, it's daunting. I've had people that are so strong, and even with us, they still, the first 4 or 5 days, go through some fear, depression. You need a team that's watching over you in case you get an infection. What do? We swoop you up, we get you in with an IV, we start you on a protocol. You're not paying for that. You're in another country, you have no idea what's going on. This happens in your country too. We have so many revisions from Australia and New Zealand. We're continuously fixing and making a better surgery out of it. And it's harder. Second, third surgeries, revisions are the hardest. You have all that scar tissue, lack of blood flow, and just botched jobs that we have to fix. But we do it. We're very good at what we do. But I think the most important thing is to remember these agencies, these companies, you know who they are. They just have a list of doctors they pull in, and they get all these people that are on forums, they get agent fee. And it's just no different than a travel agency. And then you going directly to the hospital, or a travel agent directly to the hotel. Does that make sense? However, with us, we're a full service. We have our own team, our own doctors. Your prices are fixed. We tell you exactly what's going on. There's the aftercare, there's a medication, you're safe. We also will hook you up with some insurances, because you never know. You could get a blood clot. You could have an aftercare problem that's not a normal infection. It could be outside of it, but we will make you pre-test. You have to pre-test, because we're not going to take your case if you're not healthy. But coming with Azurite is really amazing. You have a team. You're going to fall in love with the team. You have pre-nutrition, pre-emotional, pre-journey, and post. Yeah, you always could have problems. You can have problems right next door in Sydney or in New York City. But yeah, the best surgeons, the best team. Now it's up to you. Do you want the best surgery? And now you get healthy, you get happy, and we'll do it together. Thank you.